Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn class 6 chapter 5 fractions and decimals. Today we are going to learn what are equivalent fractions, like and unlike fractions, and comparison of fractions with examples today. See the definition of equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions have the same value even though they may look different. Let us see the example. See here in the first picture, it is divided into this rectangle into 3 parts, and out of 3 only one part is shaded. So the shaded part is here 1 by 3. See the second rectangle here, same picture we divided into 6 parts, and here 2 parts we have shaded. Therefore shaded part in this rectangle is 2 by 6. See the third picture, here same rectangle we divided into 9 parts and we have shaded 3 parts. Therefore the shaded part is 3 by 9. After cancellation of 2 by 6 we get same 1 by 3. Again 3 by 9, if you simpler form if you take, again we will get 1/3, that is 1 by 3. Therefore 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6, that equals to 3 by 9, and so on. So these fractions can be called as equivalent fractions. See now example 3. Write the equivalent fractions of 2 by 7. Let us see the solution now. Equivalent fractions of 2 by 7 are, each fraction we have to divide numerator and denominator with same number. So first fraction we have taken as 2 by 7 is multiplied by numerator and denominator with 2. So 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. So the answer 4 by 14. Again we have taken 2 by 7 multiplied by numerator and denominator by 3. So 2 3s are 6, 7 3s are 21. See the next one we multiplied here with 4. 2 into 4, 8, 7 into 4, 28. Next one, 2 by 7 is multiplied by 5 here. So 2 into 5, 10, 7 into 5, 35. See the next one. Here we multiplied numerator and denominator with 6. So 2 into 6, 12. 7 6 are 42. And so on. Equivalent fractions for 2 by 7 are 4 by 14, 6 by 21, 8 by 28, 10 by 35, 12 by 42, and so on. If you see here, all these are multiples of 2 and denominator are multiples of 7. See the definition of like fractions now. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Let us see the example now. 5 by 12, 7 by 12, 13 by 12, 17 by 12, and so on. Here in all these fractions the denominator was same. So these fractions can be called as like fractions. Now let us see the definition for unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Let us see the example. 2 by 15, 7 by 17, 8 by 19, 12 by 29, and so on. Here all the denominators were different. See now fractions in lowest form. A fraction is said to be in its lowest terms if the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Let us see the example. 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, so on. All these are equivalent fractions. Among all of them, 1 by 2 is the lowest form or standard form for this. See example sum. Compare 2 by 5 and 3 by 4. We can do comparison when the given fractions are like fractions easily. But in this example, here these are both fractions are unlike fractions. So first we must make them as like fractions. For that we have to do LCM of the denominators. So 5 and 4 are denominators of the given fractions. So let us do LCM for that. 5 comma 4. 2 table 4 2 times divide. So again 2 table 2 one time it is going to divide. Therefore LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Therefore, LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. Now, the given fractions we must multiply with the number so that it must be equal to LCM value. So, with the denominator, with what number if you multiply it becomes 20? 4 we have to multiply. So, given fraction 2 by 5 into 4 by 4. That is 2 into 4, 8. 5 into 4, 20. So, 2 by 5 we converted as 8 by 20. See now, other fraction 3 by 4. For 4 denominator, what number if we multiply, we get 20. That is 5. So, multiply numerator and denominator by 5. So, 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. Now, both given fractions we converted into like fractions as 8 by 20 and 15 by 20. Now, let us compare them. Which one is greater among these both? 15 by 20 is greater than 8 by 20. Hence, 15 by 20 means what? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 5. Today, we have seen Chapter 5 Fractions and Decimals, what are equivalent fractions, what are like and unlike fractions, and how to compare fractions. With example sums we have seen. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.